Crabs are generally decapod crustaceans covered with a thick exoskeleton composed primarily of highly mineralized chitin and armed with a single pair of claws. They can be found in all of the world's oceans, while many crabs live in freshwater and on land, particularly in tropical regions. With around 850 species of crabs identified today, stay with us as we are counting down 10 of the most beautiful crabs in the world. Number 10. Found from Singapore and the Bay of Bengal to New Caledonia and Australia, the light blue soldier crab is a species of crab that lives on sandy beaches. They are among the few crabs adapted to walking forwards rather than sideways. Growing up to 2.5 centimeters wide, this species spends much of the time buried in the sand. They emerge to the surface a few hours before low tide, although some individuals may remain submerged for the entire tidal cycle. They are known as soldier crabs because they all march together across the sandy mudflat, as their large numbers are thought to help protect them from predators. Number 9. Found in mangrove, sand dunes, and rainforest along the Pacific coast from Mexico south to Panama, the Halloween crabs measure around 5 centimeters across the carapace and 10 centimeters from claw to claw, but they have an adorable way of making themselves bigger by putting their claws up. They are nicknamed Halloween crabs because of their brilliant colors, with a tar black carapace, blood orange legs, and purple claws, with a pair of yellow spots behind the eyes. Even though they're well-adjusted terrestrial crabs, they still live close enough to the water to migrate there for reproduction. Number 8. Found in the sandy shores of tropical and subtropical regions throughout the world, the red ghost crabs are a real treat to the eye. Like the other ghost crabs, the red ghost crabs are characterized by their thick and elongated eye stalks, box-like body, and one claw being larger than the other. The differences in claw sizes are, however, not as marked as in the male fiddler crabs. These crabs can be found more in number near estuaries and prefer sandy beaches that were not used by humans. And when a large number of these crabs come out of their burrows, the section of the beach appears bright red. Number 7. Distributed across the western Pacific Ocean, the watermelon fiddler crabs are named so due to its unique coloration, which resembles that of a watermelon. Like other fiddler crabs, the watermelon fiddler crabs use their big claw in ritualized combat during courtship of a female by signaling their intentions to other crabs. A large claw may be lost in battle, but they are able to regrow a new claw after their next molt. The process is a little odd, however, because the new larger claw will actually form from the original small claw, where it will just increase in size, and the lost claw will become the small claw. The big claw basically switches sides if lost. Number 6. Widespread in the Indo-Pacific, Maldives, and Polynesia, the red-spotted trapeze crab has squarish carapace with a spectacular mottled drawing, about 100 to 200 reddish or orange spots on a white or pink background. This guard crab lives symbiotically in association with corals, hiding deep within the coral branches, where it feeds on coral tissue and mucus, and defends the corals from predators, like the coral-eating starfish. Growing to a maximum width of 5 centimeters, the red-spotted trapeze crabs are extremely shy and are very difficult to be seen in their natural habitat. Usually they will retreat into the branches of their host coral at the approach of a threat, and are quick to put their claws up towards any threat to them or the coral. Number 5. Endemic to the coast of Western Australia, the golden ghost crab, or yellow ghost crab, is relatively large among ghost crabs, with a carapace growing up to 5 centimeters wide. Like other ghost crabs, they have box-like bodies with unequally sized claws, but this species are easily recognizable by their golden yellow coloration. Inhabiting open sandy beaches, living in burrows in the intertidal and supratidal zones, these crabs are actually one of the main predators of eggs and hatchlings of Western Australian sea turtles. This has caused the introduction of methods to protect the turtle nests against these crabs in some areas. The methods include wire or plastic screens placed over the nets, and continued human presence to discourage these crabs. Number 4. The insulamon palawanense, or the Palawan purple crab, is a species of freshwater crab from the Philippines that was described in 2012. Found only in small lowland forest ecosystems in the Palawan Island group, most of these crabs have purple shells with claws and legs tipped red. As crabs can discriminate colors, researchers assume that the coloration of this species has a signal function for the social behavior like mating. This is the reason why large males of various insulamon species are more reddish compared to the generally violet females and immature males. Number 3. Native to the Gulf of Mexico, the gaudy clown crab, or simply clown crab, is relatively small, with a carapace of up to 3 centimeters wide. They can be found from around 0.5 to 50 meters in depth, living among the coral reefs. The shell of this species is typically bright orange, with bilaterally symmetrical patches of cream with blue rims and dots, which makes sense why it is named so. Due to its small size, however, this crab is of no use to humans as a source of food, but it is instead favored in the pet trade as an aquarium pet, mostly for its brilliant appearance and easy husbandry. Number 2. Widespread in the Indo-Pacific, the candy crab is a very colorful crab that grows from 1.5 to 2 centimeters wide. It lives on various species of soft coral, where it camouflages itself by mimicking the colors and structures of the polyps among which it hides. This is the reason why there is no exact coloration for this species, as their colors depend on the host coral. This crab is by far considered as one of the most interesting crabs ever seen. Its colors and the way it protects itself is not exactly a normal crab to see in the ocean. Number 1. Found in the Galapagos Islands and across the western coast of South and Central America, the Sally lightfoot crab really stands out from the rest with its beautiful coloration. The crab is rumored to have been named after a Caribbean dancer due to its agility and her lightfoot way of dancing. Additionally, their spectacular time reaction and speed make it seem as if they could predict the mind of their predator, and also make them next to impossible to capture. Considering that the Sally lightfoot crab has so many predators, one would think they would try to blend in just a little with their surroundings. Yet because the crabs have such a strong shell to protect them, sexual selection becomes their priority instead. In fact, as their shell gets tougher as they mature, it also becomes brighter.